Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. I am Tati, your natural nail guru, and today we're going to be going over another review. So if you have already seen it, I did a review on the Beetles Base and Top Coat a few months ago. It did really well. It was an Amazon purchase, really low price, great quality. Definitely had a good wear, had 3 clients wearing the product for a couple of weeks, and it did really well. So I figured today was a good opportunity to try out their matte top coat and see if we got some really good results with that as well. Before we get into this next review, if you guys haven't already subscribed, take a moment to do that now. A lot of you guys that are watching the videos are coming back and watching more, but most of you aren't subscribed yet.
Hello, what are you waiting for?
Hit that subscribe button. I'll give you a moment. If you are subscribed, make sure you hit that notification. Lots more reviews are going to be coming out, especially over these next couple weeks. You do not want to miss. So definitely make sure you take a moment to do that so you can stay in tune with the most thorough reviews you're going to get on these nail products. Now, let's get back to this Beetles matte top coat. So I currently am using Wildflower's matte top coat in the shop. It is an amazing matte top coat. It is super matte, very like suede-like, velvet-like finish, and it stays matte throughout the wear. So I'm gonna be comparing the Beetles matte top coat to what I use in the shop, which is my Wildflowers. So let's not waste any more time and get to it. All right, guys, so here we have the Wildflowers matte top coat that I have been using for a while. On this hand, we're going to be using Beetles Top It Off Matte Top. Now, their base and top coat, if you remember from my Beetles review, did exceptionally well. And I'm very excited to try this matte top coat because I'm expecting exceptionally good results, but we will see about that. Oh, little hair. Consistency is nice and thick. It is a very clear polish. The Wildflowers is kind of like a cloudy, milky one. The Wildflowers is also really thick, and you definitely get the heat spike. So we will be seeing whether or not this Beetles top coat gives a heat spike as well. Because that Wildflowers heat spike is no joke. Okay, really nice and thick, and the brush was really saturated, but there's no runniness, which I love. All right, let's go ahead and put that in. All right, so no heat spike, you felt nothing?
Like
wow, that's
nothing
amazing. And it's a pretty thick consistency. Oh, it is a little bit milky. It's not.
It has a hint of it.
Yeah, it's a little bit milky. It's not super, super clear. Let me.
I think you have to wipe.
No, there's no wipe. Okay, so this is cured. That's not really looking matte. That definitely looks. Wow, what a big difference. Oh man, I don't even think we need to wear this for 2 weeks to see that this is not really a good matte top coat. Let me wipe. Maybe wiping it makes a difference. Come on, Beetles. You guys had such a good base and top coat.
No.
Let's see. Try it off. Okay, yeah, no. This gives you more of like a dull shine than actually matte.
Satin.
So yeah, I'm gonna say like right off the bat, unfortunately, this is definitely not acceptable for a matte coat. Let's look at that difference one more time. Yeah, see this right here, that looks like satin. It's so matte, not satin. It looks like
velvet.
Velvet. It's
this
so
looks
matte.
Like satiny.
That looks like it's a dull shine. That looks like you got oil all over your nails. Oh, that's so sad. All right, guys. Yeah. Right off the bat, I'm going to have to say that the Beetles matte top coat is not matte whatsoever. But at least they have a good base and top. Okay, so as we saw, the Beetles matte top coat wasn't really looking matte. It was kind of like an oily, dull shine. Right from the beginning, it's not really giving me a matte effect. So I am actually stopping the review at that. I'm not going to have my client walking around for 2 weeks with their nails looking like that. I went ahead and took care of her and just finished polishing them all up with Wildflowers. The Beetles, unfortunately, did not accomplish a matte look from the beginning, so I really don't see a need to continue checking its durability or wear if it's not really matte top coat. So maybe it could be used for some other kind of nail effect, but matte, it is definitely not. So for those of you out there that are looking for a matte top coat, unfortunately, the Beetles is really not something I would recommend at all. Now I do have a lot more top coats that I will be trying that are matte. I have a lot more products that I'll be trying, and since you're already subscribed and you have your notifications on, you will definitely not be missing it out. Until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.